Does Project Serenity work? Will it make me cash in the cryptocurrency market? In this video, I will bring essential details about Project Serenity. Plus, I get a caution that can save you from losing your cash. Hello. In this video, my name is Mark, and I will discuss Project Serenity, a program that can change your financial reality. I understand how frustrating it is to wake up early every day and take a crowded bus or train while your employers get richer and you get no pay raise at the end of the month. The money goes out, and you can't comply and have to do more outside tasks to increase your earnings with the internet. However, we have many chances to earn money, so I will bring details about the program that can assist. You earn a lot of money and possibly make you alter your life with the cryptocurrency market. What is Project Serenity? Marco Whiter is the lead editor of Project Serenity, a crypto financial acquisition newsletter. Identifying blockchain winners of the future is his primary focus. In addition, Marco wants to shed light on projects that will power the next generation of the digital world economy, along with helping members become financially independent. Having released his ever-successful second Renaissance Investments crypto hedge funds, Marco has introduced a second crypto hedge fund under Project Serenity. As a result, the efficiency of the average crypto fund was approximately tripled by second Renaissance Investments in 2021 alone. It is clear why Project Serenity is anticipated to perform well. To learn more about the program, I will leave the main website here in the description and in the first remark. Cons and problems of Project Serenity. 1. A bit expensive. Project Serenity is not low cost. You need to invest some cash in registering for this service. Depending on your budget, compromise for financial freedom to earn the money you need to purchase yourself. First, I want to invest numerous dollars in enhancing my knowledge. How about you? 2 jobs, Serenity, cannot make you prosper right away. Project Serenity doesn't require to be a faster way to make you abundant overnight. It is a program that can teach you everything about crypto trading, but not a get-rich-fast plan. You cannot anticipate making a great deal of money right away after using Project Serenity because you still need to do a lot of research study and make the last financial investment decisions yourself. Therefore, 3. Project Serenity does not offer a complimentary trial. Project Serenity doesn't offer a complimentary trial. Many programs use an available 14-day free trial, but not Project Serenity. I'm a bit dissatisfied with this. It seems that Project Serenity is not so cheerful in its item. Nevertheless, you do get a success guarantee. So, if you cannot make any cash after joining the program, you can contact the expert team to seek assistance and adjust your financial investment technique. This task truly works, however, be careful. Individuals on the internet sell this program in places besides the book market. Only on the official site is Project Serenity sold there. So, you will have the guarantee, the official program, and your information to help you. In the description, I will leave the leading site here, and in the first remark, you will have your data safeguarded and can purchase safely. This was our video. If you like it, you can subscribe to the channel by leaving a like. See you next time.